I'm Claire Arbaugh from Dobyns-Bennett High School. I'm the Work-Based Learning Coordinator. And today we had our signing day, Advanced Manufacturing Signing Day. We had 18 students who signed to go to work with 4 different companies in our region. Eastman, Silk Enclosures, Whirly, and GRC Construction. All of those students have done classwork to prepare them for jobs in these organizations, and we are just looking forward to the pipeline that may be creating for our businesses and communities in the future.
How many work-based learning students do you have in total, including other programs here today?
This semester I have 54 students, and ranging everything from culinary to cosmetology, business, social marketing, media, you name it. If there's an organization out there that would like to host an intern, we'd love to find an intern for your organization.
And this has been going on for started 4 years ago?
This is the 4th year of the program, and it has grown exponentially since then.